everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this makeup look. This is a very traditional makeup look which I have done for Durga Puja and I am loving this look. I really love this big red bindi on my face and this jewelry, like it is so traditional, and I have paired it with this beautiful hairstyle and this big gajra. I think this looks bigger than my face but truly traditional. Like I really love this eye look, and it is super easy to create, and I have put a lot of efforts in this video for this jewelry, this eye makeup, this hairstyle, this sari. I have purchased it specially for this Durga Puja tutorial. So do let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this look, and if you want to know how I get this look then please continue watching. Alright guys, so now my skin is nicely primed and prepped, but the primer is still left, and the one that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. This is for the first time that I'm using this primer, and it is their Photo Focus Face Primer. I didn't knew this primer looks like this, like it is white in color, and let's see how it works. And it is a very affordable primer. This primer is really good. Like, can you see that? It has given me that mattifying effect. Wow. Amazing primer and very affordable. Like, yeah. Like, look at this. I can see the change in my skin. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro HD foundation, and it is the illuminating foundation, and this is what I need in festive days because I want my skin to look dewy and glowy. So what I like to do is, though it is an illuminating foundation, but I like to mix it with this illuminator. This is from Swiss Beauty. You all know how much I love this. So I'm gonna take a pump of this foundation, like not a pump, it is just like less than half pump. I have just taken a dot. If you can see, you can see how much I have applied on my face, and some is still left at the back of my hand. And now I'm gonna take this illuminator that's it, and I am really loving this base. It looks so glowy and hydrating. That's what I need. Now for concealer, I'm gonna try this Wet n Wild concealer, and this is for the first time that I'm gonna try this concealer. So I'm not gonna use much, just gonna dot it like this. That's it. Okay, so this concealer is really good. Like, can you see my eyes brightened up? I am loving this concealer as well, like a really good option. And again, this is a very affordable concealer. So yeah, if you are a beginner and looking for an affordable concealer, then must consider this. And now to set my base, to make it last long, I'm gonna set it with some loose powder, and I'm gonna use this Bharat and Doris loose powder. And now for my brows, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty eyebrow, like 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel eyeliner thing. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild palette. Again, a very affordable palette, and it is a beautiful palette. Like, I have used it for 2 or 3 times, and it has so many shades to choose from, like so many variants. As my transition shade, I'm gonna use this one, and you have to work with it roughly. Like, you can see how roughly I'm moving my brush, right? So this is what you have to do. Yes. I'm gonna take this color, like the deeper one. It is sort of a deep brown color. So all you need to do is just look down and raise your brows like this so that you can find your crease. And I'm gonna run it like this way, like this line, if you can see. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna take the other side of this brush, like a flat blending brush, and I'm gonna diffuse this color with the transition one. And now I'm gonna take this dark brown color, if you can see, and again I'm gonna add it to my outer corners. Yes, and now glitters. Like, what is a festive look without glitters? And it has all these gorgeous shades, but today I want to apply this golden one because this will work well with my combo what I'm wearing. And now to complete this eye look, I'm gonna apply eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply like a thick wing eyeliner. Like, I will try applying that. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same Wet n Wild palette, and from this palette I'm gonna use the same transition color first. And now I'm gonna use this light brown color which I have used for my crease. And now I'm gonna add kajal to make my waterline thick, and I'm using this Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. And now I'm gonna smoke up this kajal using the same transition color from this palette. Alright, now for contouring, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Duo Stick. For blush, I'm gonna use this Nykaa blush, and I'm gonna use this color, the crimson sort of color. So the blush that I have used is a matte blush, and because this is a festive makeup look, I want some dewiness on my face, and for that I'm using this blush from Makeup Revolution. It is a very shimmery kind of blush, and this is how this looks like. If you can see, it is very pigmented blush, so make sure you are just touching your brush into this and dusting off the excess, and you can see it instantly adds shimmer to your cheeks. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this highlighter from Glam 21. It is a very affordable highlighter, and it is a really good highlighter. And now to finish this look, I'm gonna apply some lipstick, and for that I'm gonna use this one from Color Bar. Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you follow this tutorial, then please do not forget to tag me. I would love to see you all. And if you have any other recommendation or any other query, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.